Hello everybody, in this video we will talking about the microscope, how the microscope works and how we can see the results under the microscope, and we will be discussing that what are basically the different parts of the microscope. So this is the microscope which is used in our microbiological lab at University of Punjab, Lahore, and it is manufactured by the company of the BioBlue. The part which is present at the uppermost portion, it is the eyepiece. In this part we will be seeing or we will be observing our results by using this part which is known as the eyepiece, the very first part of the microscope which is present at the uppermost portion of the microscope. Now the knob which is present at the very back of the microscope, the black knob which is the black wheel which is present behind the blue wheel, that is known as the coarse focus, while the blue wheel is known as the fine focus. We will be moving both the coarse focus and the fine focus to observe our results under the microscope. You can see that how this blue wheel is moving. This is the stage of the microscope. On this stage we will be placing our slide to observe the results. Now these wheels are present these wheels are present below the stage, and we will move both of these wheels which will help to move the stage clips right and left and back and forth. You can see that I am moving the wheel and the stage clips are moving right and left. Now when we move the second wheel, it will help to move the clip back and forth. You can see it is moving forward and reverse direction. This movement will help to observe better results, and this will help to place our smear right above the lens which is present below the stage. Now these are the objective lens which are shown here in grey color. These objective lenses are of different magnification. The most commonly used magnification is the oil American magnification, which is of 100x. There are several magnifications which are used, for example 10x, 40x, 60x and 100x oil immersion magnification. However, the drop of oil is only used in case of the 100x magnification while using the microscope. No oil drop will be used while dealing with the 10x and 40x magnification. This wheel to which the objective lens are attached, this wheel is movable and you can move it according to your need, that under which magnification you want to see your results. The most commonly used magnification is the oil immersion magnification. Now how will be you moving your stage above and below? The coarse focus, which we have already discussed, which is black in color and is present at the very back portion of the microscope, will help to move our stage up and down. By moving this coarse focus, we will be bringing our smear very close to the objective lens. You can see that how when we move our black wheel which is present at the back portion, it moves the stage in the above direction. It will help to bring the smear very close to the objective lens so that we can observe our results. This is the mirror which is present at the lower portion of the microscope, and this is the part of the microscope from where the light is reflected. Now we have a slide of gram staining, and here we are going to observe the results under the microscope. First of all, you will place your slide on this stage and you will manage the clips. After managing the clips, I am turning on my microscope by using the button which is present at the back portion of the microscope. Now my microscope is turned on, which is indicated by the light. You can see that nothing is observable in the eyepiece. Nothing is visible at all. Now I will be maintaining my glass slide so that I can observe the results. First of all, by using the wheels below the stage, I will move the stage forward, reverse, right, left, so that my smear is just above the lens which is present here below the stage. You can see the portion of light which is coming from below the stage. This portion of light is basically the lens, and this must be right above my smear. After the slide has been adjusted, I will move the coarse focus, which will help to move my glass slide in the above direction, so that by moving the glass slide in the above direction, it will be brought closer to the objective lens and will help to observe my results. Now see that how I will move the coarse focus, and it will help to see you the results. So here you can see that the glass slide has been managed and adjusted properly by using the coarse focus. The oil American objective lens is just below is just above the glass slide, and they are properly adjusted by using the coarse focus and the stage weights. Now, after the coarse focus has been used, you can see that the bacterial cells are seen in a very blurred stage. After the bacterial cells are visible by using the coarse focus, I will be using the fine focus, which has been shown in blue color, so that the focus will be increased and the cells will be better focused and better visible. You can see that how blurred this image is. Now I am moving the fine focus behind my microscope, which was blue in color, and you will observe that how fine my bacterial cells will be focused. This is how the fine focus helps to improve the visibility of the bacterial cells under the microscope. You can see I moved my fine focus, and now my bacterial cells were very better visible, very clear and very fine focused. See how beautiful they looked.